Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to revise some problems in our revision plan. So, the first question is given here like this: find 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Okay, now? So, this is the question. Now, see, we know, children, in between any two rational numbers there exist infinite rational numbers. Yes. So what I am doing here, see, 2 is equal to, what are the given two rational numbers? Given two rational numbers are 2 and 3. We can write 2 is equal to, that is 20 by 10. Okay, 2 ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? We can write it as 20 by 10 because of 10 ones are 10 twos are, again we get 2 only. And 3 is equal to, we can write it as 30 by 10. Yes, 10 ones are 10 threes are. Now in between 2 and 3, and that is 2 is equals to 20 by 10, you just write here the number, that is 3 means that is 30 by 10. 20 by 10 and 30 by 10, in between write the numbers. 21 by 10 less than 22 by 10 less than 23 by 10 less than 24 by 10 less than 25 by 10 and so on. We can write up to and so on. Ante we can write up to 29 by 10 వరకు రాయొచ్చు. So we required how many? Only 5 rational numbers in between 2 and 3. Is it clear? So this is one of the solution. Otherwise you can take the mean method. You can use the another formula also, that is mean method. That is equals to what, Nana? A plus B by 2. So you take A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. A plus B by 2 means that is 2 plus 3 by 2. That is equals to 5 by 2. Means in between 2 and 3. In between 2 and 3. అంటే 2 కి 3 కి మధ్యలో ఉన్న నెంబర్ అంటే that is 5 by 2. That is nothing but 2.5. Again you take A means 2 and B is equals to 5 by 2. You continue the same procedure. You just substitute in this. You will get the remaining 4 rational numbers. Is it clear? Actually we know in between any two rational numbers there exist infinite rational numbers, but we required only 5 rational numbers. Okay, so this is one of the method. Okay students, now the next question, the question is examine whether the following numbers are rational or irrational. So the question is given here: 3 plus root 3 plus 3 minus root 3. So this is a rational number or irrational number. See here what I am doing: 3 plus root 3 here plus 3 minus root 3. See clearly, minus root 3 plus root 3 cancel. Then we get what, Nana? 6. 3 plus 3, that is equals to 6. 6 is a rational number or irrational number? It is a rational number. Is it clear? Now see one more problem. Root 3 plus 3 whole square. Root 3 plus 3 whole square. Examine whether the following numbers are rational or irrational. We know here what is the required useful required identity, that is a plus b whole square, that is equals to what, Nana? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a means that is root 3, b means that is 3. Then I am going to expand in this form. Now we can write it as a square means root 3 whole square plus 2 of a means that is root 3 of b means that is 3 plus b square means that is 3 whole square. Square root cancel, then here simply 3 is there, plus 2 ila brackets unte off is nothing but into 2 3s are what are 6 into root 3, that is 6 root 3 plus 3 whole square means that is 9. Here 3 plus 9, 3 plus 9 means what are, that is 12 plus here 6 root 3. Then clearly it is a rational number or irrational number. Yes, it is a irrational number. Okay, so like that we can solve some problems in this model. Okay students, so let us see the another model question. The question is given, find the value of the polynomial p of y is equal to 4y to the power of 4 plus 3y cube minus y square plus 6. This is the polynomial, biquadratic polynomial. This is which polynomial, Nana? Biquadratic polynomial. Because of the highest degree of the polynomial is 4, then we call it as a biquadratic polynomial according to based on degree. Okay, now the value at y is equals to -1 and 2. Ante first case lo, in case 1 I am taking here, in the place of y I am taking -1. Okay, then see what is the value of the polynomial. While we are going to substitute the value of any particular variable substituted here, if you get the result is 0, that is called the 0 of the polynomial. Otherwise we can call it as a value of the polynomial. Now see, 4 means I am writing 4 only. In the place of y I am going to substitute -1, that is -1 power 4 plus 3 of, in the place of y I am going to substitute -1 power 3 minus, here y means that is -1 power 2 plus 6. We know children, the power of a the power negative number ki, okay na, the power of negative number power even number unte we get the positive. Yes or no? అదే నెగిటివ్ నెంబర్కి పవర్ వచ్చేసి ఆడ్ ఉంటే we get the negative. See, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి 4 of -1 power 4, here 4 is a even number, that's why we get the positive number. అంటే 1 power 4 means that is 1 into 1 into 1 we will get that is 1 only. Okay, plus 3 of -1 power 3, it is a negative number but the power is odd, that's why this time we get -1 only. Okay, here also -1, here also -1, but what is the small change? Here power is even and power is odd. Now minus, then -1 whole square, ఇక్కడ పవర్ వచ్చేసి ఈవెన్ ఉంది, so that's why we get 1 plus 6. Now 4 into 1 that is 4 plus of minus, ఇలా ఉంటే bracket, that is called the off, plus of minus, that is minus 3 ones are 3, and minus of 1 that is -1, plus 6. Now 4, 6, two positive numbers, 4, 6, that is what Nana? 10. Minus 3, minus 1, that is what? Minus 4.
6.
Then we get a 6. While when we are going to substitute in the place of y, the value becomes, that is 6. Now see in case 2 what we get. P of y, case 2. P of y means in the place this time you are going to substitute, the value is 2, that is equals to 4. Y power 4 means that is 2 power 4 plus 3 y cube means the value of y is 2 this time, then power 3 minus 2 power 2 plus 6. I substituted in the place of y 2. 4 of 2 power 4 means 2 raised to the power 4, and like this 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Plus 3 of 2 power 3 means 3 raised to the power 3.
8.
2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Minus 2 whole square means that is 4 plus 6. Now 4 into 16, ఇలా bracket ఉంటే half, 4 16s are 64, okay, plus 3 8s are 24 minus 4 plus 6.
Okay, 6.
ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి 64 plus 24 plus 6, that is equals to we get 94. 64 plus 24 what? 64 plus 24 plus 6 means we get that is 94 minus 4. 94 minus 4 means that is 94. So like this we can find the values. Okay.